If you're experiencing billing issues on Pluralsight, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Pluralsight account by entering your credentials on the website. Make sure you are logged in to view your billing information. Step 2. Check billing history. Navigate to the account settings and locate the billing section. Review your billing history for any discrepancies or charges that seem incorrect. Step 3. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it in the billing section. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid future issues. Step 4. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep track of your issue. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time, follow up to ensure your billing issue is addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues on Pluralsight efficiently. Don't hesitate to seek help if needed and keep your account information updated to prevent future problems.